Hello, boys and girls. Long time no see. So I just wanted to make a quick little video, hop on here, and explain the stuff that's going to be posted to Advisory Google Classroom. So this first Google Slides that you'll see, I'm going to be posting this in Google Classroom. It's kind of like what would be projected in our advisory space, but it's just going to be, as far as I know, for the whole month of April. So when you have time, click into it. It's just going to be talking about email tips and email etiquette since that is our main form of communication right now. So when you have time, click into it. It's got some pretty cool tips on here. It's got some common errors. Just makes us all around better emailers. So this is what it's going to be. This is going to be the topic for April. Email tips and email etiquette. The other thing that is going to be posted into Google Classroom is a survey. This survey is going to be posted weekly. Let me scooch this up. There you go. So all it's going to do is ask you a few questions. The school is collecting these, so just answer as honestly as you can. We can help you with some resources and stuff like that, depending on how you're answering. And the last thing that will be posted in your Google Classroom is a Google form from me. Soon we will be having a Google Hangout, so that's pretty awesome. I'll get to see you guys this week. But I need to gather some information from you all to help facilitate when we're going to have that meeting. So as soon as I get responses back on this Google form, then I can set up a Google meeting, a Google Hangout, I mean, and I'll give you some instructions how to get there. It's usually just one click. I hope to hear from you very soon. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please shoot me an email, and I will try to reply back as soon as possible. See you soon. Bye.